joins us with the full forecast. Ryan, we get some new music. That was kind of like a fun little peppy
intro to you. That's what we like to do on
you.
Fridays on New Center Maine afternoon. Gets us all in the groove, all in the mood. I like it too, Amanda. Out there this afternoon, temperatures are on the way up. We had a little what we call inversion this morning, meaning at the ground it was cold, but above it was a little warmer, and that trapped a little moisture this morning, so we had some black ice issues and even a little fog early on, and that inversion's getting scoured out. We still have it in Freiburg where it's 32, Portland's 37, Waterville at 32, but we're at 42 now in Wiscasset. Clouds are thickening up, but there are still some breaks of sun here and there, especially right now in central Maine. See some showers here off to our west, and while they do look somewhat heavy, the total amount of precipitation we're going to get this afternoon and evening will be pretty minimal. A tenth, maybe a quarter inch, not expecting all that much. And behind this front, we get pretty nice weather tomorrow ahead of the next system, which comes in tomorrow night into Sunday. This will not be a big one. However, it's going to be colder, so there will be some snow that falls into Sunday morning. Hour by hour this afternoon, if you're along the coastline, down east, central, southern Maine, you are dry through sunset, but up in the mountains, showers arrive first, and it's a little bit colder, so there could be a little sleet or a little snow that mixes in initially here. By 6 o'clock, showers moving to the east and south, and they move through during the early to mid-evening, so you may catch a few raindrops, but I don't think they'll last all evening long. In fact, by midnight, these are moving out. And notice the temperatures at that point actually higher than they are now. And that's going to come with a brief period tonight of some strong wind gusts. You notice where it's highlighted here, the foothills, mountains, and up north. Could be some gusts over 50 miles per hour early tomorrow morning up here. The rest of the state is just breezy but not quite as gusty, and then those winds even up north will diminish tomorrow. I think we'll have a fair amount of sunshine tomorrow, more likely to have some high cloudiness over southern Maine, and then that cloud cover will increase through the afternoon. But it's another fairly mild day, mid to upper 30s north and lower 40s to the south coming up on your Saturday. Saturday night, we'll pick it back up here at 6 o'clock. We're dry to start, but some light precipitation moves in during the evening so that by midnight, a lot of us dealing with light snow through the interior and a little mix along the coast. Could be some wet snow or a little rain. It's not going to be heavy, but I think overnight into Sunday morning, it will be slick for travel, particularly away from the immediate coastline. It looks like the precipitation will taper a bit Sunday morning, so I think that once the roads are treated, it should be fine to get around. And then there will be off and on snow showers that linger in the mountains and up north into Sunday afternoon. There could be some that make it into central Maine as well. The total amount of moisture with this next system isn't that much either. And we'll be watching the trends and the guidance this afternoon. We might adjust this map somewhat, and I would think if we make any adjustments, it's to pull the coating to an inch even farther north. The best chance for a few inches would be in the mountains and up north, and there could be parts of Aroostook County that get up over 5 inches of snow. That's where it keeps snowing into Sunday afternoon and evening. After that system moves out, looks brisk and chilly on Monday, partly sunny on Tuesday. Both of those days will have high temperatures in the 30s. The next front on Wednesday pops our temperatures to near 40, but that could come with a rain or snow shower. And then behind that, colder air moves back in for Thursday. So Amanda, the system we have coming in on Sunday isn't big, but I think if you have early morning plans on Sunday, the roads may be a little slippery until they're treated and plowed.
All right, just be careful out there.
Yeah.
Ryan, thank you.